Alright, what's up, Coach your host? I haven't put out a video in a long time. Got a retainer, so can't see it. Not the video. So I'm talking a little weird. I'm gonna be cleaning this one so I can do a comparison to this one because this one looks more dirty, you know. It's gonna be an Air Force One restoration. Cleaning them, yellowing them when the sun comes out. So I just want to do this as a quick little video. These tend to get a lot of views. Air Force One restorations. Simple, just soap and water, you know. That honestly cleans up almost everything. Oh shit, I didn't think I was gonna keep this phone up. But okay. So let me figure that out. And then yeah. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna have to try and do this with one hand. Yeah. I didn't put that. Since the dirt is kinda caked in, but not too much. I'm just gonna start scrubbing. You shall see that all the dirt starts to just kind of come off. Nice and simple. Just since I didn't have this in you should have recorded in landscape in the first place. Now it's gonna go fucked up in YouTube in portrait mode. You don't want to leave the leather all wet with soap. You gotta clean it, you know. See, that's caked in dirt. Dirt's out. Oh, you did, not did. And laces. And these, you could put them in a cup of soap and water, but to me, honestly, it's just better wash them. Yeah. Alright, let me do laces, and I'll come right back with you. Alright guys, I'm back, and I finished lacing them, you know, but I decided to relace them up because I didn't think they were that dirty. They're looking all good except for the bottom, but who cares about a bottom, you know what I'm saying? I already finished de-yellowing them somehow, you know, they just turned white, I guess, from after them being cleaned. No. I'm gonna turn these into these. No, that's impossible. I'm just gonna let y'all know that now, even with Rejuvenator, you're not gonna get those results. The leather's already turned, you know, darker and stuff. I mean, it'll look a lot better if you use Rejuvenator because, you know, the stitching will turn clear. I hate my life. Nah, but I need to clean up before I do stuff. So we're gonna flip it over so you can actually see dirt. Go off. Man, this is difficult with one hand. If I did this with two hands, I would have already been finished probably. I mean, I can already tell the difference. You can see dirt in there. It's not just surface dirt, so don't just say, yeah, I'm dirty with surface dirt. You can tell that it's inside. Like right there, it's caked. On the Nike swoosh, everywhere it's kind of got caked in dirt. especially there. But here, mostly got it off, you know. Yeah. Got bubble guts. That's what Walmart, you know, that's what Walmart is for. Feel like you're gonna have a big poop, just go to Walmart. Yeah. And if someone walks in right after you walk out, if you didn't flush the toilet like me, or it just didn't go down like me, then laugh. That's what I do. I laugh, and for some reason they usually just stay in there and they pee. Then I wash my hands. Then I walk out and I try not to smile. Then I smile. And then I see my mom and I laugh. And she already knows what happened. Yeah. Well, they're the best private restrooms. Dirt. The lighting doesn't exactly show too much when the dirt is coming off. No, it's just where I burn it. I've burnt some parts of the leather so they look brown a little bit. Some parts, you know. That's just because when you try and decrease stuff with an iron, you don't want to leave it in the same place too long. And that's what I did, and plus the rag wasn't really wet. Oh shit, I didn't have a pointed torch. But you can see all that nasty mud, or whatever that is. Just came off. And y'all remember how it was looking before. And I don't feel like editing, whatever it's called. Because that takes too long, and I don't feel like re-downloading all those apps. And it's saying, yeah, you're running out of memory and all this bullshit. Delete some photos. No. Kill yourself. Hate you, Android. If I got 16 gigabytes, why do I only have a capacity of 11? Explain me that, you know? And you too, iPhone. It's like when I buy an iPhone, and it says 32 gigabytes. And you get it, and it says capacity 11. I mean, not 11, like 30 or something like that. That's all you can use. Because it's running the system of yeah. Storing the system of something like that. Now the sock liner with soap and water, you're really not going to do much. Even with, let's just say you get the 3-brush set of Rejuvenators brushes. Good luck with that. You're going to have to get the sneaker laundry system most likely. This is just a little bit. If it's brown like this, like poop brown, yeah. Even if you get the dirt off from the outside, there's still dirt in the inside. And it makes it look darker. But when you get the laundry system, it pulls out that dirt from the back. And then, yeah, you know. What I don't like about Angel's Easy Cleaner is, I mean, I like it if it's a shoe like this. It's really used and I really like poop brown there. I don't think it really, you know, widens up the thing. It's just the same as Rejuvenator. But like, you see the stitching? It's brown. But if I go get my white pair, no, so they're both white. But see this pair is like cocaine white, you know. If I get Angel's Easy Cleaner and I clean that, or my sock liner, for example, they're both the same. I mean, they'll both get darkened, you know. They'll turn dark. Like if those are new and I just turned a little bit of water on them, spill a little bit of water, it'll turn the darker color. That's what I do not like. That's why I only really use cleaners if my shoes are really dirty. Especially with this, because it's stitching right there. I hate that. Because once it turns, you're not getting that clean. Unless maybe you use Rejuvenator, I do not know. I've seen the bleach pen with the sneakerhead in the bay. Used it and I saw it, I swear. And you thought you were going to be freaking editing for Nope. You don't get to have that life of editing free. Never. You gotta, you just have to accidentally press the power button. Now you're gonna download Video Shop or whatever it is and combine the videos. Maybe put some music on the videos. Speed it up since you already have the thing. And then get a copyright thing, and then it'll be all muted. And no one will want to watch it, and they'll dislike all the video. And got some grass stains on here. Do not want to come off. Hear that? Neither do I. It's too quiet. Just in case, you know. And no, I'm not trying to be funny. That might be a 10-year-old laugh, but whatever. You know? It's just better than the old little video. It's just, okay, now we're going to be using soap and water. And then half and half mixture. And now I'm going to speed. Oh, shit. No, okay, that was a good save. That was a good save. You might not be able to see it in the other mirror. If I turn it this way or something. Whatever. I was holding the power button. I should have done that before. Give me the option to turn off the phone. Instead of just turning the screen off to the lock screen. Because then I would have, you know, combined three different videos. No one wants to do that. Skirt. Alright, so next, you want to get that breathe, and you want to just spray. No. Oh, what the fuck? No, no. Okay, there we go. I feel like one of those people that's like, okay, now spray Windex, then OxyClean. Y'all see that dirt thing? So here's a good example. Wait, why am I using a toothbrush? Okay, there we go. Oh my god, 33 seconds left. Ran out of memory, already cleaned these. These aren't too yellow to de-yellow, so I'm not going to. But also, Silver Rat's a bitch, because I de-yellowed these before. And in 4 days, they came back to yellow, so yeah. And the laces are in here, because I'm lazy and I want to finish this quick, so big comparison, quick. Shit, only a few more seconds left. Oh! Okay, good comparison. Blah, blah. See? Disgusting. Not disgusting. Whoa! Thumbnail.